Hello guys, welcome to Skeleton Edits. Welcome to our typewriter text animation tutorial using Capcut. In this video, we're going to show you how to add a vintage touch to your videos by creating a classic typewriter text effect. It's not just about adding text, it's about telling a story. So let's get started. First, open your Capcut app and create a new project. You can choose an existing video or start from scratch. Now, import your video clip by tapping on the media button. Select the video you want to add your typewriter text to. This could be a travel vlog, a cooking tutorial, or a vlog about your day. The typewriter text effect adds a charming, nostalgic touch to any video. Time to add the text. Tap on Text E and click on Default Text option. Type in your text and adjust the font size and color to match your video style. Here, we're going for Comic Axis font. Now place the text where you want it in your video. You can drag it around and resize it using the controls. Make sure it's centered or aligned as per your preference. Now click on your text and click on Animation option. In the second line, click on Typewriter Animation. You can increase or decrease the duration for typewriter animation. You can also use out Animation If You to finish your text with typewriter animation. To make it even more authentic, add a typewriter sound effect. Import the sound clip and position it where your text animation starts. You can easily find typewriter sound effects online. That's it. You've learned how to create a captivating typewriter text animation in Capcut. This effect adds a touch of nostalgia and storytelling to your videos. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your creations with us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.